Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and NAS100. So as you've seen last week, we didn't post any video on our YouTube channel, but we did post the signals on the community part. So I hope you saw this part over here, the signal that we shared over here. So if we don't post a video, just know we have signals over here. So without wasting time, let's get into today's video. I'm gonna start with US30 on the daily time frame. Okay. So as we can see, guys, we are around this area here, and okay, we're around this area here, and if we start to try to draw a trend line from this point over here, we can see that now we have the third touch on this trend line over here. And if we focus up over here, you can see that the market has been downtrending. So, but you've seen like there's a touch here, so this means we'll be pushing to the upper side. So basically we'll be looking for buying opportunities. So I'll just remove this one over here for now. Just a little bit. So what am I seeing? Okay, so we also have this part over here. So no, sorry, not this part over here, sorry, over here. So let me just use the body of the candlestick. So this is the current thing that we have, but bear in mind we have this level over here, and we have this trend line. We must not forget this trend line right over here, guys. So hence we are looking for buying opportunities for now because of this trend line over here. So if we didn't have this trend line, I'll be saying that we're looking for selling opportunities because of the touch right over here. Yeah. So let me just remove this one over here. I'm gonna focus around here. So let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on. Okay. So let me zoom out a little bit so you can see what's really going on. Guys, if you look closely, starting from here, over this area here. Okay, is it here though? Over here we have a beautiful trend line pushing to lower side, and let us cater for the upper side as well. So I'm trying by all means to cater for most of the touches, guys, so that we can see the proper direction for this thingy. So yeah, okay, so as you can see, you have this pattern right over here. So as you can see, the market is still pushing to the upper side. So this will be our entry level here. So you can see that US30 is gonna try to push up until over here or over here. But if I'm being honest, I'm gonna say over here. So let us move to like in a 1-hour time frame, so we can check if you are not missing anything, because you can see that the market is going to the upper side. But you can see you had a bit of rejection right over here. So this could mean that there's a level somewhere right over here. As you can see, there's a level over here. So as soon as we break out of this blue level over here, let me just change the color first to red. The moment we break this red line over here, we're gonna keep on continuing with the sellers, with the buyers, sorry, with the buyers, because as you can see, you know, guys, that the market moves in this movement, the push, correction, push, correction, push. So as you can see, the market did make a lot of pushes over here, a long push over here. So currently we are anticipating a bit of a correction before it continues with whatever it was doing. So you can see this, we could see this kind of movement occurring on USD. The same movement that occurred here could occur right over here, and then if we push to the upper side. But yeah, this is how we should trade US30. So on US30, I'm anticipating buy movements. So if you did catch this thing out early, you should have like entered around this area here or here, and then now be in some profits. And this, if we entered here, guys, sorry, let me just make an example first. if we did enter here, and then this will be our overall target as usual, but this area here would be our first take profit, our first, second, and this will be a third take profit here, and the overall take profit. So this is how we're supposed to trade. But because you are late on the signal, you're gonna have to compromise. So you're gonna enter on the area here when you see that the market is breaking out, and we'll just put a stop loss a bit right over here, and then I'll take profit, overall take profit right over here, and then first take profit over here. Bear in mind, guys, this is an index, this is US30, so it's pretty volatile. So I'll usually say we should put our stop loss right over here, but it's pretty bad because so far, guys, as you can see, the risk reward ratio is not certain. So, but you could just put it right over here for safety. So bear in mind, you enter only if you see the breakout occurring over here, because there's a possibility that the market could just change its direction from this area here and just push to the lower side. So be careful with that. So I don't know what's going on here, guys. I don't know if the man is trying to create a little bit of its head and shoulders formation. I don't know. I won't lie. I won't know. I wouldn't know. But just be cautious, guys, because a lot could happen here. To see this kind of movement occurring. So we will never know. So yeah, just to be on the safer side, we'll just have to wait and see what's really going on. But remember, we'll be anticipating buy movements on US30, and the reason for our buy movement, I hope you did not forget that. The reason for our buy movement is because of this line over here. Where is it? Sorry, let me just do this first. Yeah, the reason for our buy signal is because of this trend line here, the major trend line. So we're just gonna see if the market will respect the trend line, because this is the third touch on the trend line. So yeah, I just hope we respect the trend line and we push to the upper side, maybe up until this area here. I don't know. So we'll just keep on waiting, guys. So yeah, that'll be all for US30. Okay, so we are now on NAS100 on the daily time frame. So as you can see, I've already laid out all the levels that we need. And you can see that NAS100 made a little bit of a breakout, strong movement over here, pushing to the upper side, but it has reached this level here, which has been respected a lot. So all I have to do now is just check what's really going on, because if you go back, you can see that this level here has been respected. But reason is the market bouncing on this level or just breaking it over? So okay, on this pattern, don't really know, because you can see the market play around at this area, broke it, tested on it. So there's a lot could happen here. So you could see like a rejection, a bit of rejection if we push it upper side. But let us keep on analyzing to see what's really going on. By looking at this, I think this one is gonna, I don't know, to be honest. So let me just analyze and see what's really going on. Okay, this is our lowest low. I'm gonna try by all means to use a part of the candlestick just to cater for all of the things. So I'll just do this first. Let me zoom in actually, because I can't see here. So all right. Okay. Give me time, guys. Give me time. Give me time. All right. Okay. So this is all we have. So I know I could just put it like this with this level here, but it won't make sense. It's too far. So yeah, that's why I'm using the body of the candlestick. So let me cater for the upper side as well. Let's start here or here. So if I just start here, it's gonna be like kind of something like this. Oh, it's over here. I'm just put it. I just do a little bit. So this one as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of things going on over here. Okay, so this is what you have on NAS100. So like I've said, you could see a more touch over here. As like on US30, we had like you can see that the market could try to create a head and shoulder formation. So this means you're gonna see a lot of sellers, a little bit of sellers before we see a lot of buyers. So on this one, I think we're gonna see like a little bit of just looking at only the daily time frame. I think we're gonna see like a little bit of like a rejection, Yana, before, and we're gonna see a touch over here. So this is what I'm anticipating at the moment. Just move to the 4-hour time frame to see, yeah. So let me just remove this for now. So there's not much going on. But what I'm gonna say is that when the market opens, NAS100 is gonna come back right over here. You're gonna see a gap maybe up until here. You're gonna see a gap up until here. This is what I'm anticipating. We could see a gap up until this area here before we push to the upper side. So yeah, it's basically the situation, guys. We're gonna see a gap, meaning that the market will just push to the lower side a little bit before it could continue to go to the upper side. So yeah, this is the kind of situation that we have. But I'll be honest with you guys, I think we should be patient on this one. I feel like we should wait. If you want to take the risk of going up with the market, is fine. But and it's possible that if the market breaks this level here, we are still going to the upper side up until here. So let's just wait for a good close above this level here before we enter. You know, if you get what I'm saying. Oh, because we could have a situation like this, guys. I'm just giving you all the possible scenarios that could happen. So sorry, we could see a touch over here. We could see a rejection, and because there's a trend line over here, there's a trend line over here, and why is my thing glitching? As you can see, there's a trend line over here, and so the market could fail to push the upper side that much, and then decide to come back to this area here. But it won't be able to break this area here because this level has been respected as well. It could break the area, but it will not close below it. And then after that, you're gonna see another rejection and then a push to the upper side. So this is basically all the scenario that could happen. Because I don't think the market will try to reach this level over here again. I don't think it'll have the power to do that. But if it does, it did. But all I'm anticipating is this first one. I've just said the buyer movement, touch over here, retest, and a push up until over here. So this is what could happen on NAS100. So yeah, that'll be all for NAS100, and yeah, FX was signing out.